if you missed number 31, the poet uses personification in the fourth stanza to describe the Poplars' attempt to, Poplars' attempt. So I'm looking at stanza 4 here, and I know personification is when we give person-like qualities to something that's not a person. Personification. It's like when the wind whispers. Of course, I don't mean that the wind is literally whispering. I mean it sounds like a person whispering. So stanza 4, let me look for the personification. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're looking here. The poplar is a restless tree. At every breeze, its branches bend and signal to the child, "Come, friend." It leaves forever whispering to thrush and robin, "Stay and sing." They pass. It quivers plaintively. Okay, I see its leaves whispering, "Come and," or "Stay and sing." And then it also says it signals to the child, "Come, friend." So I'm noticing two things here. The person-like qualities are always about somebody coming or staying with the poplar. So that should help me answer that question. The poet uses personification. Is it to attract visitors? That sounds right, because it's telling kids, "Come, friend," and it's also beckoning to people to stay, or to the birds to stay and sing. Remain active? No, I didn't see anything about that. Provide directions? No. Resist being moved by the wind? No. The best answer here is clearly A. Those moments of personification are always about making someone come to the poplar or make someone stay with the poplar. So here, you need to make sure you reread the stanza and pay attention to the moments that are personification.